Alright guys, this is a new product review. This is for the Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coating from Cerakote Ceramics. This is going to be a video on the application, an unboxing, and I'll do updates periodically for the next couple months or so to see until it breaks down and everything. So guys, let's get into this video and join me for the video. Thank you guys. Alright guys, this is going to be the unboxing of the Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Shine and Protectant. As you guys can see, kind of break the seal on it. You have a sprayer. You have the product. Looks like this one may have leaked actually. Oh. So yeah guys, I may have to return this one because the product actually leaked out. Not intentionally, but that's what's in the box of this thing, guys. Next up in the video, we are going to do the full-on application and show you what it looks like afterwards. Thank you guys. So we're going to be putting this stuff on now. Never used it before, never tried it before. It's new to the market, so yeah. It's going to be going up in this video. So preparing the surface, thoroughly wash your tires with your preferred car wash soap. Let the tires dry completely. Shake bottle for 1 minute to ensure coating is properly mixed. Coating one tire at a time, spray Cerakote Rapid Ceramic spray liberally on the tire and ensure all surfaces are coated. Using the applicator sponge in the kit, work the coating evenly and completely over the surface. Allow coating to fully cure for 2 hours before exposing to moisture. Wait 24 hours before washing your tires. So guys, I have never had a a tire shine that's held up on these tires. I don't know what it is with these. As I said, I don't know what it is with these Coopers. They don't hold the tire shine for some reason. Have no idea why. But we are going to give this stuff a try. And see how well it works. And from the looks of it, guys, this may not be bonding with it either. Fuck. But I don't know what this stuff ends up as. Does it end up as a shine, or does it end up as a matte finish? I think it gives it kind of a satin finish, guys. That actually looks pretty good on there, guys. And it's really simple to apply. You literally spray it on, put some in the applicator, spray it on the tire, and it bonds pretty damn well, guys. That actually looks pretty good. So that's the application process of the the Cerakote Ceramic Coatings Rapid Ceramic Tire Shine and Protectant. Guys, that looks really good on there. It's good satin shine, and it's not too dark, and it's perfect. So let's go back inside and we'll get right with this on you. Alright guys, so this is what that Rapid Ceramic Tire Shine looks like. It's definitely a satin finish. Definitely not shiny, but it looks really good on these tires, guys. I'm actually rather surprised. It is not a shiny coating, but by God does it look good. They look good on there, guys. So guys, thank you for joining. Ruby's all cleaned up and nice and shiny and clean again. Hopefully I can keep her this way for a while now. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so tell me what you thought of the video. I'll give you guys an update in the YouTube short probably in the next couple weeks or so. They had the application and the after look. Tell me guys what you thought of that. Leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me if you liked it. I might be one of the first videos out there with this product. So guys, just join me in the next video and keep on trucking. And like, share, subscribe, do what you want to do. But join me for the next video. Bye!